This van is full of surprises. Second row captain's chairs, seating for 7 inside a spacious cabin. Stow and go, and stowing the seats couldn't be easier. One hand and one lever make them disappear into the floor. A 3.6-liter Pentastar 5.6, which makes a class-leading 283 horsepower, and returns better fuel economy. Safety features include active front head restraints, driver knee airbags, full-length side curtain airbags, front seat side airbags, anti-lock disc brakes, stability control and traction control. Come in and take this van for a drive today.